Hello everyone, today's video is super exciting because I'm going to show you how you can install the Google Play Store on Windows 11. We all know that while Windows 11 does offer an Android subsystem, it does not come with Google Play Store by default. Instead, it has the Amazon App Store, which might not have all the apps you need, especially if you are outside the US. Basically, today we are going to install a customized version of Windows Subsystem for Android which has Google Play Store. So, let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about what you will need to get started. Make sure your PC has at least 8 GB of RAM, a dual-core processor, and at least 8 GB of free SSD space. Also, it's crucial to have SSD storage for smoother performance. Now, on to the installation steps. Step 1. Enable the virtual machine platform. Go to the Start menu, search for Turn Features On or Off, and select it. A window will pop up, look for the virtual machine platform, check the box, and click OK. Now, you have to wait a few seconds. Your computer will need to restart, so go ahead and restart your PC or laptop. Step 2. Enable the developer mode. Open the Settings app from the Start menu. Search for Developer Settings, and turn on the developer mode, then click on Yes. Step 3. Download and install WSA with Play Store. Open the link which you will find in the description below, download the customized WSA. Click on Download here, and click on Download Anyways to download it. Once downloaded, open the file location. Right-click to extract it. Now, click on Browse, then go to the C drive. Make a folder as WSA and select this folder. Now click on Extract. Now, you have to wait a few seconds. After extracting, scroll down and find the XAML.appx file, double-click to install it. Open the Start menu and search here for PowerShell, right-click on it and then click on Run as an administrator. Now type cd, space C, :/WSA and press Enter. Now, enter this command here, which is given in the description, you can copy and paste it here. Now, open Windows Subsystem for Android settings from the Start menu. Click on Files to start WSA. Now, you can close all these windows. Finally, after setting up WSA, you will find the Play Store in the Start menu. Click on it, and sign in with your Google account. Now, you can download and install any app you want, directly on your Windows 11 PC. Like I will install this Traffic Racer game. This is how you can install the Play Store and run all the Android apps very smoothly on your Windows operating system. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.